Lisa.
And I'm Henry. And we just got married today. And we were fortunate enough to use Illustra tonight as our DJs. And they were just phenomenal. The music was fantastic. They worked really well with the wedding party. And we are very appreciative of the group from Illustra. Thank you. They made our wedding very special. And again, we thank you guys very much. Thank you.